A decade is a significant milestone in any journey. For a business that's built around life itself, around medicine, healing, and healthcare, and which commits itself to putting people back on their feet and smiles on their faces. Completing 10 years means continuing affirmation of the quality of service it offers. It speaks of the relationship it shares with those it serves and the trust they place in it.
Congratulations to the entire PPG family on this very important day and celebration of a decade of service both to the community and its patients. It has established itself as a tertiary care provider, in fact a preferred tertiary care provider, not only for East Delhi, but for many cities and towns in the neighboring states. Some outstanding clinical work happens in PPG. Hundreds of patients walk inside our doors with lots of stress and anxiety. Our first obligation is towards them. So if we really internalize our value of Seva Bhav, and that becomes our Bhav and Swabhav, we'll deliver exemplary care to all the patients.
It's a moment of great pride and joy for all of us at Max Patparganj that our baby is turning 10 this year. From a humble start as a secondary care hospital in 2005, we have now become a 400-bedded tertiary care institute. For all of us at Max Healthcare, there are three core values which we focus on: Seva Bhav, excellence, and credibility. This is something which a security guard to a senior clinicians demonstrate every day on ground to all the patients who walk into our facility.
अचानक से मुझे एक बार हमारे घर में एक प्रॉब्लम आया और वो हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की नौबत आई उसकी, तो मुझे यहाँ आना पड़ा और मैंने देखा कि उसके बाद 15 दिन जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है वो तो बहुत ही शानदार रहा है।
मैक्स हॉस्पिटल के बारे में सबसे पहले है कि इस एरिया में सबसे अच्छा हॉस्पिटल है, आउटस्टैंडिंग हॉस्पिटल।
In India, we have a very big burden of cardiac diseases, which is affecting the people in their most productive period of their life, that is between 35 to 45 years. We have been doing a lot of advances to treat this group of patients in the form of bypass operations, in the form of valve repairs, replacements, heart transplantation, lung transplantation, and recent advances in the devices, means the new machines in the form of total artificial heart and all.
Everybody who's walked in through the gates of this hospital, and there have been hundreds and thousands of them, each one of them is very special to us.
You always think that this patient is one of your family member. Then that attachment will come automatically to you. That's so that you can give your maximum care, maximum attachment, maximum empathy.
I just want to say thanks to Max. We've been coming here for the last few months and our experience has been great. The doctors, the attendants and the infrastructure in all. So really thank you, Max.
गर्व की बात है ये हमारे एरिया जमुना पार के लिए दी बेस्ट हॉस्पिटल।
मैक्स हमारे सामने पैदा हुआ, धीरे धीरे उसको ग्रो करते हुए बढ़ते हुए हमने देखा। पहले हम उसको बड़े होते देखते थे, अब वो हमें बड़े होते हुए देखता है और हमारी रखवाली करता है, हमारी देखभाल करता है।
जब मैं इतनी थी तो हॉस्पिटल भी इतना था, अब मैं बड़ी हो गई तो हॉस्पिटल भी बड़ा हो गया।